The Lion and the Rabbit. Once upon a time, in a deep forest, there lived a fierce lion. Every day he hunted and killed many animals, just for fun. Tired and afraid, the animals made a plan. They said, "We will send one animal to the lion each day." The lion agreed. One day it was the turn of a small rabbit. But this rabbit was clever. He reached the lion very late. The lion roared, "Why are you so late?" The rabbit said, "Another lion stopped me. He said he is the real king." The lion growled in anger. "Take me to him, now." The rabbit led the lion to a deep well. The lion looked inside and saw his own reflection. He thought it was the other lion. He roared. The reflection roared back. Furious, he jumped in and drowned. The forest was finally safe, and all the animals cheered. Moral of the story: wisdom is stronger than strength.